In today's video, I'm sharing 5 fall makeup favorites for the over 50 woman. Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Welcome to Kathy Over 50, where I do easy everyday makeup and style for the over 50 woman. Today I'm teaming up with my friend Lisa from Lisa Monique Beauty, and we are each sharing 5 of our favorite fall makeup products. Lisa has become a great YouTube friend, and I'm so happy to have met her. We share a lot of the same similar interests. She likes a little higher end makeup and fashion from Nordstrom. She's a professional photographer, so she's always offering me tips on how I can improve my videos, and I so appreciate having her as a friend. So be sure to go check out Lisa's video and her channel after you watch this video, and it will be linked in the description box. Okay, so the first new fall favorite makeup that I am loving is actually a drugstore eyeshadow palette that I picked up a little while ago. It's by Milani, and I'm actually wearing it today. You can see that I created a really pretty soft fall eye look with this, and if you want to see the full makeup tutorial, be sure to check it out. I will link it here in the description box. This grabbed my attention. It's so pretty. The colors, I can tell you, are really pigmented. They are absolutely gorgeous. There is some shimmer. That's a shimmer. I think there's 2 shimmers. Or no, there's 1, 2, 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. I used all of the colors with the exception of this one to create this look. So pretty. There is a little bit of fallout from the shadow, but you know, nothing too major. They're so creamy. Like, I was shocked. This is the first eyeshadow palette that I've used from the drugstore in many, many years, simply because I usually shop online. I just like online shopping. I was blown away by some of the drugstore products that I used to create this look. I'm really liking drugstore makeup. So I think I'm going to be incorporating a lot more drugstore makeup into my channel. Like, I was really, really surprised, and I want to go and check out what other palettes Milani has, because this is so pretty and at a fraction of the cost. I think it was like $13 or something like that. Now, I do have another favorite that I like for fall. It's an eyeshadow palette, and it is a little luxury palette, and you can go check out the video that I did on this a few months ago, and it is the Viseart palette. This is the only Viseart palette and the first one that I've ever bought, and it's the Midsummer palette, and it is gorgeous. So pretty. I've never tried eyeshadow that is so creamy, so pigmented, goes on like butter on a toast, and absolutely zero fallout. I love this stuff, and I love that it's a smaller palette, because sometimes, you know, those larger palettes, they can be a bit overwhelming. So I really appreciate just using, you know, smaller palettes to create a makeup look, because it's not like I'm gonna be doing high glamour makeup every day, but that's just me. I like easy, I like everyday. These 2 palettes, they're very, very pretty. They're, I don't know, a little similar in color, maybe. I don't think it could go wrong with either one, so I just wanted to show you some different price points, and they are both great. So be sure to go check out both of those videos, and then you can see, you know, make a decision from there. If you're looking for an eyeshadow palette, which one maybe would work better for you. So now that we're into fall, I do tend to wear a little heavier foundations, but not too heavy, because I like light to medium coverage. And this one I've been using now for about 2 years. I love it. It's a little pricey. When you buy it for the first time, you're getting 2 refills. And it is by Dior, and it is their Dream Skin Cushion Compact. It's a liquid in a compact, and I love it. I wear it in the shade 20. You just dip your brush into it or sponge, and it applies so nicely. And every time I wear this foundation, you guys always give me so many compliments. I have a separate video where I walk you through a tutorial using this foundation. Go check it out. I love it. It's light to medium coverage, I would say. Lasts all day. It really makes my face look luminous but not oily. I do have oily skin. It's just a really pretty, beautiful, like, glow from within. It really creates a nice day-long look, and it lasts me a good 8 to 10 hours, and that's like the length of my day that I would require a foundation to work. So really love it, and like I said, it comes, when you buy for the first time, the nice solid compact. It has a nice mirror, and then it's gonna come with a container of foundation in it, and then you're gonna get another full one. So if you work out the price that way, it's not too bad, and it lasts a long time. I don't wear it every day, so I can't tell you how long the cushion lasts, but I can tell you I haven't worn this in probably 5 months, and it's still fresh. I could still use it, so it doesn't dry out easily. So really like this. If you're enjoying seeing my 5 favorite fall makeup, please give this video a like. It's just gonna help my channel to get picked up and get noticed. The next product I love so much, like I could throw out all my other powders and just use this one. It is by Laura Mercier, and it's her Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder. It is wonderful, it's gorgeous, and this is in the shade number 1. Where do I start with this powder? It just blurs into my skin. It makes my pores disappear. It makes my skin look like it's porcelain. It doesn't sit on my pores. It doesn't sit on my skin. It's really the nicest powder I have ever used. And I do like the Hourglass Veil powder. That's a very nice one. I like the Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores powder. But this one, oh, everybody should have this powder. It's really wonderful. It has a beautiful big mirror. And I like to put it on with this Beauty Blender Power Pocket Puff that I have been raving about. I love this thing. Instead of using a powder brush, I just dip this into the compact and then I just put it on my skin. The combination of these two things makes my skin look like a porcelain doll. It's so nice. I can't say enough good things about these things. Honestly, I prefer this over a brush. I find sometimes when I put powder on with a brush, it just ends up sitting on top of the skin, and you know, by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, my makeup's looking a little eh. Not with this. Like, this makes my makeup last so long, and I love this powder. It's available, I think, in many different shades. Everything will be linked below in the order that I show them. Yeah, you gotta go check out this powder. Like, if you can go to Sephora or somewhere and even just give it a demo, like on your skin, let me know what you think. I love it. And be sure to pick up one of these things. You won't regret it. They were under $20. And I live in Canada, so in the US, it's gonna be even cheaper for you guys. Every night at bedtime, I apply this product. I have had this for, oh gosh, it's gotta be at least, I don't know, 8-9 months. It is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It comes in many different flavors or scents, whatever you want to call them. This is Sweet Candy. It's a pink one. It comes with a little spatula, little silicone spatula you can use. I just use my baby finger after I brushed my teeth, washed my face and everything. Just dip it in there, and then I just rub it all over my lips. And I always go in the corners of my lips because they can get dry too, especially now in a couple weeks our furnace will be coming on, so my skin's gonna get a little bit drier. Love this stuff. It's not greasy. When I wake up the next day, my lips are really, they're very soft and moisturized. So I like this. I wish it was kind of in a tube. I'm not like a big fan of pots. I know I could use a silicone spatula, but it just applies better with my finger. But I just wish they could reformulate it that it was in some sort of a tube or a squeeze tube. Do love it and very happy with it. So be sure to go check out my videos that I mentioned, and if you want to see my drugstore makeup look, my first ever drugstore get ready with me, be sure to go check out this video. And I want to thank Lisa so much for teaming up with me today. It's been a joy getting to know you, and it's always fun to collab with you. So be sure to go check out Lisa's video and her channel and see what she comes up with. I'm anxious to see what her 5 fall makeup picks are. And if you enjoyed and found my 5 fall makeup favorites for the over 50 woman helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. But most importantly, thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.